Is the wig I will be installing today is the Bobbi Boss Harena in the shade FHL 350/99J. It has 3 combs in the front of it and 1 in the back. And the lace looks pretty good to me in this wig. It's really nice. I am hot combing all the hairs back so when I install it, no hair gets in the way. Here I'm using a razor to cut off the unneeded lace. It gives it more of a zigzag effect instead of a straight cut. Zigzags help it look more natural. So here I cut all the lace off. I am using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 334 in medium sand. I am pouring it in my hand, on my hand, and I'm going to use my foundation brush to apply it to my wig cap to make it look even more natural. Here I have the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray in the shade Light Warm Brown. I'm going to spray this on the lace. I want it to be as natural as possible, so we getting it done. Y'all, I did this recording like 15 million times because cars keep passing by. But I'm checking it out here just to see if I want a middle part, side part, checking how the lace is laying. And this is going to be a glueless install. I'm going to use an elastic band. I love glueless installs. And I'm going to put the elastic band ear to ear and sew it on to the hair. Even though this is synthetic wig, I still love glueless installs. So here you see me, I'm going to be taking off the combs because it's not needed. And this is how the elastic band should look. Real snug, real nice, and boom! Look at that. Look at that. The lace is laying and it looks cute. So I'm just going to do my little baby hairs, you know, slay. And I believe I was using the Kiss Edge Control. I love that gel. And to lay this even more laid, I'm going to take this hot comb and I'm going to put it on the part because I want the part to show. I want it to look a natural part. I want this flat, but still volume. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish in the shade Medium Sands. And I'm going to take that and put it on the part. Natural. We going for natural. For this install, all natural. For all installs, all natural. It has to look natural. So I'm patting that in, making sure it doesn't look crazy.